Hey wine fam, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back. As I said yesterday, because I film every day because I'm a good YouTuber, today we're going to be evaluating the nose of a wine. So let's start. Oh, I'm gonna insert my intro here.
It's the last call for love.
So let's start, you guys. Let's start with some smelling techniques. 1. Swirl the wine in the glass. This will release the aromas from the glass into the air, so it will help get to your nose. 2. Take one deep sniff, ready? Or a few short sniffs with your nose in the glass, like a doggy. But don't sniff too deeply or too rapidly, like a horse. Just sniff like a human trying to smell from a glass. 3. Pause after each sniff to evaluate the aromas of the wine. Doop. So now we're gonna go into our steps. First step is we're going to sniff to see if the wine is clean or if the wine is faulty. So I wrote down some possible flaws that we could smell in a wine. The first one is going to be trichloroanisole. I think I said that right. I have a little trichloroanisole. Trichloroanisole. Okay, that is aka corkiness. So this will make the wine smell like wet, moldy cardboard or musty old newspaper. This is caused by corks, barrels, or by a tainted winery. Because it's actually like a bacteria, I think, because of the name. It's so big. So even a winery could have like an infestation of trichloroanisole. Okay. Second smell you're looking for is oxidation. This could be muted or dried out aromas rather than fruit scents. Okay, you guys, number 3. This one is tricky, so pay attention. It's not that tricky, but I had some trouble with it. So, volatile acidity. This is when the presence of acetic acid is present in the wine. It gives the wine a vinegary aroma. This is one of the key components in vinegar, right? This is something different. And it is produced in wine when this bacteria, Acetobacter, or it could also be certain wild wheat yeast that are used in the wine, and oxygen are present during fermentation. So this happens during fermentation. So if you smell a very vinegary smell in the wine, that could be that something went wrong, or who's to say it's wrong, but something during fermentation happened containing Acetobacter and this word. Number 4. Ethyl acetate is the reaction of ethanol and acetate. Oh, maybe that's how you say. No, that's that word. Acetic and acetic acid. So the reaction of ethanol and acetic acid, this will make a distinct aroma of acetone. Smelly. This is a nose. 5. Excess sulfur dioxide. Commonly used during winemaking, too much can leave the wine smelling like a struck matchstick or like wet wool. Brettanomyces. This is a yeast growth. Gives wine aromas ranging from smoke, cloves, and spice to band-aids and manure. And last, hydrogen sulfide. It's a consequence of inadequate yeast nutrition during fermentation. This gives wine unpleasant aromas of onions, rubber, or rotten eggs. PU. So next step, step 2. You're gonna look for the intensity of aromas. Ask yourself, how intense are the aromas of the wine upon first sniff? Are they powerful or are they subtle? And to scale this, we're going to use low, meaning delicate smells, moderate, or high, meaning powerful smells. Step 3. We want to see if we could assess the age of the wine. A youthful wine will smell young, bright, primarily fresh fruits and aromas. Fresh fruit aromas. If it's more in its developing age, it will begin to show signs of age and of vinous signs of age and oxidation. And step 4, describing fruit aromas. So in white wine, you will describe your citrus fruit, your apples, your pears, stone pit fruits like apricots, tropical fruit, melons. And in red wine, you will describe your red fruit, your black fruit, and your blue fruit. Step 5, the fruit character. What is the condition or the character of the fruit you smell? Is it ripe, fresh, tart, baked, stewed or cooked, dried, desiccated, bruised, jammy? These are all going to help you really indicate your deductive tasting answer conclusion. Number 6, your non-fruit characters. So you're gonna get aromas of floral. In white wines, it will be yellow daisies, white baby's breath, jasmine, honeysuckle. And your red wines, you'll smell red roses, purple lilac, and violet. Other descriptors are fresh and dried floral aromas. You also get vegetal aromas. In white wines, you're likely to smell bell pepper and jalapeno. In red wines, you're more likely to also smell bell pepper and jalapeno. You know, it's just gonna be present. And herbal are green aromas. In white wines, you'll smell freshly cut grass. In red wines, you'll smell oregano, sage, or thyme. Some spices that you could pick up on are in white wines, white peppercorn, and in red wines, black peppercorn. Or you could even smell animals, or like a scent of barnyard. You could smell petrol, fermentation, botrytis, leather, and tobacco. And 7, you'll pick up on some earth and mineral characteristics. For living earth, you have your forest floor smells, compost, mushroom and truffle, potting soil, freshly turned earth. Minerals, non-living earth, you could smell wet stone, limestone, chalk, slate, and flint. And lastly, you're going to pick up on wood and oak. You have cedar, toast, smoke, dried baking spices such as cinnamon, clove, allspice, nutmeg. We'll have vanilla, dill, coconut, and also sawdust. And if you guys stick around and watch my next video, we're going to be talking about evaluating the palate, how the wine will taste. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and I will see you tomorrow because I'm a good YouTuber and I do this every day. Bye!